Hey friends, welcome to English with Nate. I am Nate. In this video, we're going to talk about the word placid. We're going to answer two important questions. What does placid mean? And how do we pronounce the word placid? Thanks for joining. Let's jump right in. The word placid is an adjective, and an adjective is a word that describes a noun. Placid means calm or peaceful. Let's repeat that one more time. Placid means calm or peaceful. Let's check out some example sentences so we can better understand what the word placid means. Example sentence number 1. My favorite thing about our vacation was leaving the noisy city and enjoying the placid lake. My favorite thing about our vacation was leaving the noisy city and enjoying the placid lake. Example number 2. Many people expected the man to be upset. They were surprised by his placid demeanor. Many people expected the man to be upset. They were surprised by his placid demeanor. They were surprised by the calm and peaceful way that he was acting. Placid is a two-syllable word, and I have included in this screenshot how to phonetically pronounce the word placid. So in this next section, we're going to practice pronouncing the word placid. I want you to listen first and then repeat after me. We'll do it 3 times. Placid. Placid. Great job, everybody. One more time. Placid. If you need to practice pronouncing the word, repeat this section as many times as you need. Thank you for joining me and practicing English with me. I'm super excited. I want you to write a word in the comments section, a word that you want to learn about, a word you want me to use in one of my videos. Check out these recommended videos and have a great day. Talk to you later.